Going on here? What in the world is that? Lots of boxes, empty boxes. Oh, let's see, how's that? Oh, what is that? Oh, I see some recyclables. And I get those. Oh my goodness. I don't think I've worked this hard for recyclables before. What? Nah. Not today. A lot of sheetrock. What else? Particle board. Particle board. Cardboard. Cardboard. No. Slim pickings, folks. Right, what we got here? Floor mats. Styrofoam. Yeah. What's up, hose? Yeah. I know what that came from. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. There's another hose. What's that back there? Sprinklers. All right, hose. I'm gonna do a little surgery here. Yep. What? Time for a new blade, and I didn't bring one. Man, slim pickings. Styrofoam boxes. You know what? Yeah, that box is destroyed. Could use a little box. This one's perfect. All right. What's this little dog kennel? Yeah. All right, scraps in the truck. Got a box for our. What's up, Edco? Ooh. Yeah. Anybody want an igloo? Yeah. Not. Yeah, boogie board. I hear a can. There's one. And a bottle. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I gotta get enough recyclables so I can buy some gas to pay for this habit. All right. That's gross. What is this? A tarp? Gross tarp? Yeah. I'll take that. Oh, that smells disgusting. What do we got here? Oh, can. Hey, recycle only. Okay. I recycle. All right, what do we got here? What is that? Some bark. Roof. Shoot, I'll take it. I'll take one of those. Whoa, what's this? Ugh. Probably all stainless steel. Oh yeah, I'll take one of those. Got a motor. You know what? Let's check something. You know, found this once. This is awesome. Yeah. That still might be stainless. That's definitely stainless. I'll take it. Alright. I don't want to. Alright, we're going in. Whoa. Ooh. That's cast aluminum right there. And there's another one. It's a little work to get those apart, but at least I won't go home. Whoa! Empty-handed. There's another one. Ooh, take that. There's another one. You know what? Nice bag. Throw them all in the bag. Is that a good idea? Somebody's gonna yell at me for not taking these. But, you know, we do what we can. What's this? Plastic. Brother. Oh, brother. You know what? I think I like the box better, maybe. I might change my mind, but for now. This is all aluminum right there. Yeah. Check it out. So we got rid of the brother printer, and they don't need all the whoops. They don't need all the ink cartridges. Another one of those. Take another one of those. Whoa. Never a dull moment. I didn't pick a very good exit strategy. I'm not very good at this packing thing. All right. Got my bucket. Imagine if that was brass. Oh, we can find out. Where's my magnet? Where did I put my magnet? Come on, people. Where? There it is. Oh my gosh, that's brass. Holy smokes. That's a nice find. Alright. I like to clean up after myself and other people. People can't make it into the trash. Look, it's another door. Well, it's actually a pretty nice door. Huh. Yeah. Here. Ooh. Look at that. Take that. It's aluminum. And that's definitely aluminum. What's this? Fiberglass. Oh, there's a little tote thing with a little bit of yarn in it. Anybody need some yarn? All right, I'm not taking that. Twin cool. Oh, where'd that thing go? Oh, it's a table. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, look, a bunch of chairs. Ooh, that's a nice piece of aluminum right there. So we got some new Ryobi tools. They left a little bracket. I'll take that. Not sure why, but what's this? It'd be aluminum or metal. Iron stuff. Whoa, what's this, man? Dude, it's a microphone. Check. Dude, that is sweet. What else we got in here? No idea what that is. Box. I'm not going down there to get that aluminum can. Man, I just can't get over that. What's up, bed? Ooh, bed rail. I'll take that. More of that. One bed rail? Yeah, I might want to dig around a little bit. That was a lot of work for that little piece of metal. Anything exciting in here? I heard some crinkling aluminum. I'm not doing that stuff. Ooh, there's the other bed rail. Come on, buddy. Coming with me. Turn you into another bed rail. Of that. Change procedure. Column change procedure. Huh. Do I want to do this? Ugh. It's a little brass spring, maybe? Copper spring? This feels like aluminum. Oh, it's a filter. I bet that's aluminum. Take my potentially copper spring with me. You guys can keep all your sand. All right. Let's go, stick. I don't think I've ever found anything in here. Huh. Oh. Light bulbs. Lots of light bulbs. Delta faucet. This thing's been here. Hold on. What's this? Weight management. I need some weight management. Oh, what do we got here? NeuroFit weight management wellness. Block Balance probiotic dietary supplement nightly gentle cleanse. Slim Skin collagen powder. You know what? I'm gonna check that out. Alright, what do we got here? Cheesy buttermilk cheddar. Huh. It's just the cheesy buttermilk. Okay. No watermelon juice. Watermelon juice. Somebody didn't want their watermelon juice. Shoot. It's Trader Joe's. I'll take that. That's something. Let's see what we got here. Nah, it's just mostly, it's almost all plastic. Whoa! Look at that. Whoo, look at that. This is off limits. I'm not touching that. That'd be a no-no. That's a no-no. Somebody bought that already. Ooh, empty. You know what? Shoot, I'm gonna grab that. There's some here. Wow, that's a lot of work for that one plastic bottle. 2 cans. Man, I'm really scrapping for 2 cans. That's a hose right there. Might be a brass fiddle. Probably not. Look at those Q-tips. And nope. 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 Ooh, that one's full. That one's full of wood. And a chair. Man, there's always like this debris down in here. Yeah, there's always, I don't know what they're doing here. Like core samples or something. Because, like, look at this. It's not in the trash can. Man, that'd be a nice piece of scrap. But it's not in the trash. I'd like to take it. But, you know, you just never know. What's this? Schneider Electric. Of course there's nothing in there, Dave. Why would there... Oh, Cat 5 cable. Woo-hoo. Tap to pay with Visa. Thanks for displaying the signs that help customers. Look at that. That's pretty old school right there. Remember when you had to whoosh, whoosh, run that thing on your credit card?